Today, at the end of this presentation, you will be able to represent whole numbers and decimals with 10 based blocks. The way we're going to do this is, first of all, we need a number. Let's write down 3 and 45 hundredths. Remember that the last number that you write down on your decimal side is the number that is going to give the name to your decimal. So we have 3 wholes and 45 hundredths. The way we're going to use 10 base blocks to represent this number is as follows. If you notice, from the decimal point to the left, we have whole numbers. So this square has 10 bars, and 10 bars of 10 together represent one whole. If you see, we have here the tens. So if we put these bars on top of this whole, we will notice that each whole number has 10 tenths in it. Okay? So 10 tenths, 10 tenths are the same as one whole. Okay? Now we need to have 3 wholes. Hi, Mama. Sorry. There we go. Let me just erase this. Okay. So we need to represent 3 wholes, and we're gonna use these squares to represent whole numbers. Okay. We have 3 wholes. And then we have the decimal point, and to the right, we're going to represent the decimals. On this decimal, we notice that digit 4 is on the tens place. That means that we need 4 bars of 10 for tens, and then we need 5 hundredths. So this is the way you represent 3 wholes and 45 hundredths using base 10 blocks. Let's represent one more number, and then it's going to be your turn, okay, to do it independently. Okay, we're going to represent one more number, and then you're going to do it by yourself. Let's represent 5 ones or 5 wholes, and 15 thousands. Let's do it. We need 5 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 wholes, okay? We are here, 5 wholes. Then we draw the decimal point. We don't have any tens, but we have 100, and we have 5 thousandths. If you notice here, we don't have the thousands, but imagine 1,000 of 100 is going to be a very tiny thing. So we're going to just represent it with a tiny thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thousands. This is the way you represent 5 wholes and 15 thousands. Okay? Now you try. You do it independently. Okay? You can use a piece of paper and go ahead and represent the following numbers. Please help me to represent 7 wholes and 15 hundredths, 1 whole and 7 tenths, 5 wholes and 55 hundredths. Practice using your drawings. If you don't have any basting blocks around, you can draw. Okay, you can draw your whole numbers as squares. Okay, let me just show it to you super fast. If I want to represent 5 wholes here, I will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I add my decimal. I will go ahead and represent the tens. I don't have any. I have just 100 and I have 5,000. Okay, this is the way I represent this number with pictorials using the base 10 blocks. Okay, if I don't have the base 10 blocks, I can represent it with pictorials. So if you don't have any base 10 blocks around, please use your pictorials to represent these numbers. A, B, and C. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.